How to turn on follower requests notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on follower requests notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find these three lines here in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find notifications and then click following and followers, and here you will find that follower requests. Now all you need to do is just turn it on. If you want to turn it on, just click on and go back, it will be saved. And that's how to turn on follower requests on Instagram Lite. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.